listen, check the wizard code and don't subscribe if it doesn't make you happy. My videos they always find their own subscribers. You understand? Yeah. And he's been a good guy. He's a nice YouTuber. He really works so hard. He's everywhere. So make sure, man, you subscribe to his channel, you know, and just leave a comment if the videos help you, you know, and just leave a like, you know. But what I can tell you is that if you're starting your YouTube channel, don't give up, my man. Focus, yeah, and at the end you will reap what you sow.
XXL Media Live on YouTube.
The best channel ever.
We inspire, we educate, we entertain, and of course, we give zero disappointment of how YouTubers can grow their channels. Kama kawa kama dawa, we are straight and live. Yes.
Started already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers, man.
What is your final word to YouTubers who'd love to grow their channels?
Now, this is what I'm gonna say. Okay, you stick to what you love. Okay, make sure, and this is what I always say, make sure you get your niche.
Yes.
Okay, then after that, create a YouTube account. It's a free account, okay?
Yeah.
So you don't really have to, nobody needs to fool you that you need to pay to get a YouTube account. No.
But
Just
some people are charged to open for them.
Yes, and those are, I don't blame those people because that's their kind of business, you know. They charge you to do something for you. They have experience better than you, you know.
Yeah.
So that's what they do, you know. And it's okay, it's their kind of business. And then they also manage your YouTube.
Yeah.
Now the point is this: get a YouTube channel. Then after that, get a niche. Focus on one kind of stuff that you really want, you know, and trust the process. Be consistent in everything that you're doing, okay?
Yeah.
Don't stop, you know. Even if you find yourself getting maybe 20 views, 50 views, don't worry, my man.
That is a nightmare.
Yeah, it's a nightmare, and I understand. But let it be the thing that pushes you. Those people who are watching, 20 people who are watching, those are your big time subscribers, you know. So you need first to make sure that you feed them with content, you know, and then and another thing that I see people doing is that once you post your video, you think of deleting it. Don't delete your video. Videos, they have their time, okay?
They have their time to grow.
Yes, they have their time to mature, right? Good. For you to become an adult, you did not become an adult with just 1 year.
Yes.
You know, or 2 years. It took you a long time for you to become who you are. Also, when you started your YouTube channel, if you wanted, you would have given up a long time ago.
Yeah.
But you don't give up. You know, it's like business. This is like any other business. You know, keep pushing, keep being persistent, you know, and consistent too. And eventually, things will work out, you know.
Yeah. So, fellow YouTubers, wherever you are, trust the process. To cut the story short, he just said, trust the process.
Trust the process, my man.
And another thing, let's talk about Facebook, WhatsApp, and maybe Instagram. How can I promote my content to these other social media platforms?
Very good. That's a very nice question, you know. And this is what I always say. I have a background in IT, you know. And as I say, the reason why I'm doing videos right now, I decided to change my way of doing videos. I am doing videos that I love, you know. I do web development. I do teach people how to develop this kind of stuff. And this one, when you do your YouTube, okay, you need to also have an Instagram account, a Facebook account, and if possible, you also need to have a website. This is what I always say, because all these platforms, they will bring traffic to your YouTube account. You understand? Get short videos, post them on Instagram. You know, like 50 minutes video, 50 seconds.
Or 50 seconds.
50 seconds video. post them on Instagram, right? And then what you post on Instagram, you have to make sure that they are the things you just post behind the scenes.
Eye-catching.
Yeah, eye-catching things that are you do behind the scene.
Yeah.
Post them. Tell people to click on your YouTube channel, and then for them to watch. Yeah. And this one, and then YouTube is Instagram is like YouTube.
Yeah.
Your content will always be recommended to other people. You understand?
Yeah.
So if you're doing some nice background videos, you can post them on Instagram, and people will get recommended, and you'll start also pushing your content there. On Facebook too.
Yeah.
Do the same thing. Have a page, where you have your YouTube. Let this thing be like your business.
Yeah.
Go deep, go hard into it. Just be into it like you've never been before. Put these platforms. Have a Facebook account, and then post all your videos. You can also go ahead and post all your videos. You can also promote those videos. Right now we have Instagram, Facebook. They have a platform where you can boost. Just pay some few coins and boost your videos, and they will be out there. Advertise. That's what we call advertisement. Advertise your
People
YouTube
should
account,
not
your
stop
Facebook account.
advertising.
You never stop advertising.
Because big companies like Coca-Cola,
Yes,
MTN,
Yes, and they look for
they are
content.
still advertising.
Yes.
Who are you?
Who are you not to do that? And Facebook and Instagram, they have given you a nice platform on how you can advertise.
Yeah.
And if you want to learn about Google Advert, YouTube is there. You can learn how to advertise this stuff. You see those videos that you need to skip when you're watching a video.
Yeah.
Those are people advertising. So you can advertise your channel too. You can also now decide to create a website where you can post pictures, or where you can post things about what you're doing on your YouTube channel.
How does the website work?
And website, what you have to do is that you have to create a website that really is connected to your YouTube. And you can post videos on your website.
Yeah.
Then after posting those videos on your website, you can post 3 to 4 videos.
Yeah.
And you can have a website that is like a blog. So you can post videos on your YouTube, okay? Then you can also be writing a bit about the places you visit. Let's say maybe you visit a place, post a video on YouTube, then on your blog you write about that place. Because there is one thing that you have to understand. You are trying to get traffic from all sides, okay? Yeah. So when you go to Google and type, maybe the person is looking for something in Thailand. Yeah. Okay, and what they do is that, because you have to understand, Google has a very big platform. People search a lot. The biggest
search engine.
And people search a lot. So when they search, and you have to make sure that you are in all platforms.
Yeah.
You understand? This game is always be a person who is everywhere. So once that person search probably street food in Thailand, your articles will always be up there, because you have a website that talks about those kind of stuff. You understand? And on that we have SEO, and that is Google search. SEO is how, I forgot that those are initials. Actually, I forgot what. Don't know. But that means that you use your SEO on your website, and when you use that one, it will make your videos being ranked up there.
YouTube will recommend you.
No, I'm talking about website. So your Google, when you're typing something on Google, your website will be recommended as one of the best. You understand? It's the same way as YouTube, the way YouTube do. But this time we are doing it on website. You understand?
Yeah.
And for you to learn these things, YouTube is one of your best friends. So just go and Google how to create a website, how to probably write articles, and it will direct you. So you need to be in all platforms. You need to be on Instagram, where you post short videos. You need to be on Facebook, where you also put videos and talk about your YouTube. You have a Facebook page. You can also have a website. You understand? And yeah, but I've never tried about TikTok, so I really don't know. I think TikTok is all about entertainment. It's another different platform. I really don't know much about it.
Of course, to someone who is doing entertainment videos on
entertainment
YouTube,
videos, you can also have a TikTok too.
Yeah, you can crop and maybe put that kind of a small video on TikTok so that it can go viral.
Yeah, the point is be everywhere.
Okay.
Be everywhere.
So hope guys you are taking notes.
And also what you have to do is that when you're advertising, make sure you advertise everywhere. You know, when you're playing games on your phone and then all of a sudden you come up on an advert. That's how you're supposed to do. You advertise your channel everywhere. Make people want to click. Why is this guy everywhere?
Why is he everywhere?
Where is he everywhere? And that's how you grow. That's how you attract companies. You know, people are on Instagram, people are on YouTube, people are on Facebook, people are everywhere
on Instagram,
looking for Twitter, influencers. You understand? So what you have, that's what I'm saying. When you do this thing, you have to take it as a career. You have to take it serious. You have to invest time. You know, you have to do more research. You know, sit down, create an empire. And the best thing about this thing is that once you do this, you don't have to go to work for someone. You know, that 9 to 5, I don't know, is it 9 to 5 or something?
You are the boss of your own.
You're the boss. You know, you can be doing videos, chilling, drinking some coconut, you know, at the beach, you know, relaxing, you know, traveling the way this guy does, moving from one place to another. That's it, you know, that's the goal. You know, that's the goal.
Yeah.
You know, you just don't want to, we're trying to come out in a place where this is the routine that we do. We go to work, we come back. We don't want to be that. We don't want to stick into that robotic stuff. And YouTube has really helped a lot of people to achieve that.
Thank you so much.
And you can do that too.
Thank you so much, Peter. Then another question would be, what are some small mistakes that YouTubers or people who are coming in this game or planning to come to this game, what should they avoid?
Yeah, I was talking behind the scene with this guy, and we were talking about. He was giving me. He was setting an example of a guy who was talking about doing long introductions. You know, you take time to do long introductions to your video. People don't want to see that long introduction. You're not a superstar. Who are you, man? You know, the only thing they want to know is that, what are you talking about when it comes to this drink? So that's what you have to do.
Explain the ingredients. How much is it?
Just go straight to the point. Just be brief. Even if it takes you one, because people right now are doing 1 minute video, you know, right now.
And still they move.
And still they move. You understand? Yes, so yeah, do that, man. Make sure your channel is entertaining as possible. Even boring stuff can be entertaining. It depends on how you package your stuff.
Packaging.
Yes. Yes. And when you're shooting videos, don't shoot videos just for the sake of shooting videos. You know, shoot videos that will make someone or your followers to want to watch the video until the end. You get the point? Yes. So you have to do that. Be creative. I mean, just be creative. That's all. And that's one mistake. Second mistake that people do is that you're not patient on your YouTube channel. You just want to post a video and blow up. That is, you copy what other people are doing, and that is too bad. What XSL Media is doing is not what the Wizard Code is doing. So don't copy what someone else is doing. Okay. Fourth thing, stop telling people to subscribe to your channel, because they will just subscribe and never watch. Let your content bring your subscribers. You understand? Good. But you can always leave a comment. You can always like what you see, you know, so that that person who posted that thing will be ranked up in the game.
When do they have to post, and maybe when do they have to do a premiere? Do they need timetables, or you can post at any given time?
I think what you have to do is that you have to always have a time where you post your video, so that your subscribers know that this guy will always post this video at this specific time, and they will be ready to watch your video. You understand? Don't be a random guy who just posts videos randomly, okay? But we also have people who post videos randomly and they get views.
No,
but
those ones, their story is so different.
so different.
They have numbers. You know, when you have numbers,
Oh yeah, when you have
there
numbers,
is
yes.
too much demand
But
from the
what
public.
you can, what you can do is that another thing you can do actually, which is nice. You can start with a content that probably people want to watch. You know, you can start with maybe if you see that gossip brings a lot of viewers in your video, you can start with that. Once you build up your subscribers, now slowly you can change your content.
Someone is there asking this question that I will ask you. You start with gossip because you want to attract people's attention. Then with time, you twist and change the content.
Yeah.
But remember, this guy subscribed for this purpose of live gossip.
Good, good.
So don't you think they will unsubscribe?
Now, the point is this. Let me tell you one thing. The best thing about the subscribers is that when you post videos, they like you. They will, you know, funny thing is that when I start friendship with you, at the first time, I'm getting to know you.
Yeah.
So at that time, I'm not really quite sure if our friendship will last for long. Okay, so I'm not quite sure. But as time goes on, we create a very strong bond in between.
We bond.
Yes, that if you do shit, I'm gonna forgive you. I'm
And
gonna
you
be
can
like, okay,
stand for me.
yeah, I can stand. It's the same thing with these people, right? The first thing you can start, once they start gaining confidence with you, and you'll be like, okay, man, guys, you know, let's switch today's video, and I'm taking you to a very nice place I saw. People will want to see where this guy went. Oh, this guy is us, man. Hey, man, that's nice. You know, they'll start supporting you. You know, because now they know you. They have fallen in love with what you're doing, and eventually, slowly you start switching off your content, and they will adapt to that. I have seen so many successful YouTubers who started this thing and they ended up doing something else, and they still maintain the same number of subscribers.
Oh, that's good.
You need to have, it's a brain game, man.
I'm still with the wizard coding. Yeah?
The baddest in the game.
Wizard coding.
The wizard code.
The wizard code.
Yeah.
So it's your channel name.
Yeah, that's my channel name.
Guys, kindly check out the wizard code.
But listen, check the wizard code and don't subscribe if it doesn't make you happy. Subscribe if you want to watch that content.
If you find the information
find that information is helpful,
nice for you,
or if it's that direction that you want to take, then
subscribe. And if
click
you
on
don't find it,
yeah, man,
don't
it's okay.
subscribe,
it's okay.
right?
Yes, my videos they always find their own subscribers. You understand? Yeah.
So,
it's one thing that you learn when you become a YouTuber. You don't really have to force content.
You don't have
but
to
let
force.
content, you know, bring people that are right.
Let's have the final word.
The final words is that thank you guys. You know, it's been an awesome thing, you know, being interviewed by this guy, him feeling that I might be the right person to give out some information really means a lot to me, you know. And he's been a good guy. He's a nice YouTuber. He really works so hard. He's everywhere. So make sure, man, you subscribe to his channel, you know, and just leave a comment if the videos help you, you know, and just leave a like, you know. But what I can tell you is that if you're starting your YouTube channel, don't give up, my man. Focus, yeah, and at the end you will reap what you sow, you know. Yeah, so yeah, that's it.
Okay, that's so good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. If you're new subscriber here, please make sure to follow us on YouTube.
Yes.
XXL Media Live.
Yeah.
That is our Facebook page. And of course, we have a fans page. Still in the names of XXL Media Live fans page. Instagram, XXL Media Live. On TikTok, XXL Media Live 1. That's how you can get us. Then on YouTube, of course, that is the XXL Media Live. Yeah, my name is William, and I'll ask to sign out.
Yeah.
Hope you
Till
take
next
all
time.
the notes.
Yeah, my man. Yeah.
Consistency, persistence, and knowing what you want.
Yes.
3 keys. Don't forget them. Like, share.